Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva, your favorite criminal defense attorney here in Los Angeles. Trying to release more videos, everyone. Thank you for your patience. It's just I work full time as a criminal defense attorney, so sometimes it's hard to record. But today I want to touch upon Menendez. So, major development in LA County, and remember, I'm LA County based. In fact, I feel really close to the Menendez case because when I was in my early 20s for undergrad, I actually went one day to the trial and I saw Lyle and Eric sitting at counsel table. In fact, it was really interesting. They had a tendency to really survey the courtroom. And it was interesting. They had made direct eye contact. So, 30 some odd years later, it's interesting to see them propelled back in the news, and they should be. So if you followed my videos before, I've made it pretty clear that I actually do support resentencing for the Menendez brothers. I really did think in their second trial where they were found guilty, the court had really limited the defense evidence so much so that it really, I believe the jury didn't get a full effect of what happened to these boys. And I really do believe that there was legitimate sexual assault issues. I do believe their father raped them. And I think the evidence that has come out, the fact that one of the Menudo members claimed that Lyle and Eric's father, Jose, actually raped him, coupled with the fact that this letter had been found by a deceased cousin where one of the brothers really talked about how he was being abused in the midst of other issues going on in his life. It actually seemed a very legitimate letter. I do believe 34 years of a sentence is enough. I think the DA, George Gascon, he is going to, I think, come out in favor of these boys being resentenced. And resentencing in California is a thing. And what that means is if there is new evidence that comes out which supports a lesser charge, then the actual case can be reversed and a lesser charge can be given in the case. And the DA can actually say that he wants the brothers resentenced, and the judge at the end of the day will have to approve it. And I think with all of the public outcry, it is likely that the boys, I think, will be resentenced. I don't think they're going to get a new trial because it has been 34 years. And the other thing that the judge takes into consideration, along with the DA, is how the boys and now the men have been since they were sentenced to prison. And in the case of the Menendez brothers, by all accounts, they've been exemplary in state prison. They've actually counseled numerous inmates. They help inmates if they've been sexual abused, and they've had actual perfect conduct. So all this being said, I really do think they're going to be resentenced. I think these boys in their 50s, men, are actually going to be released. And I would love to hear your points and your comments on this. Everyone's opinion is welcome. And everyone have a great day. Be safe. And there'll be more to come on this. This is set in November 30th. So I will definitely post another video and probably more videos before then because it looks like there are new Netflix shows, Hulu shows, Peacock shows coming out, and I love to comment on them. All right, everyone, take care. Have a good day. Stay safe.